Most people use Notion as a fancy to-do list. They open it, make a few pages, add some tasks, and then go back to using Google Docs and a paper notebook because Notion felt complicated and they weren't sure what it was actually for. If that's you, this video is going to completely change how you see this tool. Notion is not a to-do list. It's not just a note-taking app. With the AI layer built on top of it, Notion becomes something that has no real comparison. A single workspace where you write, plan, research, manage projects, and think, and where AI helps you do all of it faster and better than you could alone. I'm going to show you everything from setting up your first workspace to using the AI features that most people never discover. By the end of this video, you'll understand why serious creators, freelancers, and business owners consider Notion the most important productivity tool they use every single day. Let's start with what Notion actually is. Notion is a workspace tool. Think of it as a blank canvas where you can build anything. Notes, databases, project trackers, content calendars, wikis, client dashboards, habit trackers. The flexibility is what makes it powerful and what makes it confusing for beginners. The key insight is this: Notion is a tool for organizing information and thinking. Every other tool you use, Google Docs for writing, Trello for projects, Airtable for databases, a calendar app for scheduling. Notion can replace all of them in one place. Once you understand that, the learning curve makes sense. The AI layer, called Notion AI, sits on top of everything. It can read any content in your workspace and help you write, summarize, improve, translate, and organize it. Unlike using ChatGPT separately, Notion AI works inside your documents. You don't copy and paste back and forth between tools. Step 1. Set up your account. Go to notion.so and click Get Notion Free. Sign up with your Google account. The free plan gives you unlimited pages and blocks for personal use, which is more than enough to start. Once you're in, you'll see the default workspace with some example pages. Don't get overwhelmed. Click the plus button in the left sidebar to create a new blank page and start fresh. Step 2. Understand the building blocks. Everything in Notion is a block. Text is a block. A heading is a block. An image is a block. A to-do checkbox is a block. A database is a block. You create blocks by typing / the / command menu and selecting what you want. Type / and you'll see the full menu of options. This is how you build everything in Notion. The most important block types for beginners are text for writing, heading 1, 2, and 3 for structure, toggle for collapsible sections, call out for highlighted notes, and database for organizing multiple items with properties. Spend 10 minutes just creating a new page and experimenting with different block types. The tool only feels complicated until you understand that everything is just a block. Step 3. Build your first useful page. The fastest way to get value from Notion immediately is to build a content calendar. This is directly relevant to AIMode viewers who are producing weekly videos. Create a new page. Title it Content Calendar. Type / and select Database, Table View. Your table appears with default columns. Now customize your columns. Rename the first column to Video Title, add a new property, select Type, and add Status with options. Idea, Scripting, Recording, Editing, Published. Add another property for Published Date as a date type. Add one more for Notes as text. You now have a functional content calendar that tracks every video from idea to published. This took about 3 minutes to build, and it's something most creators pay for in other tools. Step 4. Use Notion AI for writing. This is where the tool becomes genuinely powerful. Open any page in Notion. Click the AI button that appears when you hover. It looks like a small star icon. Or type / and select AI. A prompt box appears. Ask it anything related to the content on the page. Summarize this page. Improve the writing. Make this more concise. Translate this to Spanish. Generate action items from these notes. Find the key decisions in this meeting transcript. The difference from using ChatGPT is that Notion AI already has the context. It can see everything on the page, You don't explain what the document is, it already knows. This saves enormous amounts of time when you're working with long documents. For content creators specifically, paste your rough video notes into a Notion page and ask AI to turn them into a structured outline. Paste a transcript and ask it to extract the key points. Paste a brain dump and ask it to organize everything into a prioritized action list. Step 5. Use Notion AI for planning. The weekly planning workflow I covered in video 2 of this channel is built entirely in Notion. Here's exactly how to do it. Create a page called Weekly Planning. Every Monday morning, open it and brain dump everything. Every task, project, deadline, idea, and errand on your mind. Don't organize it. Just dump it all in. Then select all the text. Click the AI button and type. Organize this into a prioritized weekly plan with time estimates for each item grouped by category. Notion AI reads your dump and produces a clean, structured plan in seconds. High priority items at the top. Time estimates next to each task. Categories grouping related work together. What used to take 40 minutes of staring at a list takes about 5 minutes total. This one workflow alone justifies the tool. Step 6. Use Notion AI for meeting notes. If you attend any meetings, client calls, team syncs, planning sessions, this is your most immediately useful feature. During or after a meeting, paste your raw notes into a Notion page. They can be messy, incomplete, shorthand, doesn't matter. Select everything, click AI and type, extract action items, decisions made, and key discussion points from these notes. Notion AI produces a clean formatted summary. Action items with owners. Decisions clearly stated. Key points bulleted. Your messy notes become a professional document in under a minute. Step 7. The Notion AI add-on versus the free plan. Here's the honest breakdown. Notion's free plan gives you the full workspace, unlimited pages, databases, and all block types. This is genuinely useful and enough to get started. The Notion AI add-on costs $10 a month on top of your Notion plan. It adds unlimited AI requests, access to the full AI writing and editing features, and Q&A, which lets you ask questions about your entire workspace and get cited answers. The free plan includes a limited number of AI responses to let you test the features. If you find yourself hitting the limit regularly, the add-on is worth it. $10 for unlimited AI inside the tool you're already working in all day is good value. I've linked both the free plan and the add-on in the description below. So here's the full picture of what Notion with AI gives you. One tool that replaces your note app, your project manager, your content calendar, your meeting notes system, and your writing drafts. With AI that works inside all of it, summarizing, organizing, writing, and planning, without you ever leaving the tool. The learning curve is real, but it's short. Give it 1 week of consistent use, and it becomes the tool you open first every morning. Start with the free plan at notion.so. Build your content calendar first. It's the fastest way to get immediate value. Then explore the AI features once you're comfortable with the basics. The free plan link is in the description. If you want unlimited AI, the add-on link is there too. Subscribe to AIMode for a new practical AI tool breakdown every single week. I'll see you in the next one.